Thank you for purchasing the Natural Fills preset for Capture One. I'm super excited that I've been able to convert my Lightroom preset over to Capture One and share it with you all. With the Natural Fills preset, you're getting my color preset as well as my black and white preset. And this works on all camera bodies. To install the Natural Fills preset, in Capture One, go to Adjustments, Styles, and Import Styles. Or after you open the zip that you download, you can just click on the files there and they'll automatically import. The Natural Fills preset is meant to give you a natural feel to your photos and keep everything looking nice and close to natural. But keep in mind, when editing, you do have to edit the photo yourself some. The Natural Fills preset gives you a nice starting point, but you do have to finalize your edits. To make sure you're getting the best look from your photos, apply the preset, adjust your exposure, and then from there, everything comes down to white balance. Once your white balance looks right and the skin tones are looking great, you're gonna get the beautiful Natural Fills look. I hope you enjoy the Natural Fills preset, and don't forget to follow and tag @Natural Fills preset for a chance to have your photos featured on their Instagram page.